Hello, I'm going to go through question 35 on IMAT 2011. So I have too much small change in my pocket. I am told that these are the coins that I have in my pocket, and I want to buy a chocolate bar which costs 37 cents using as many coins as possible. What's the largest number of coins I can use to pay for the exact cost of the chocolate bar? Okay, so if I'm looking to use as many coins as possible, do I want to use the coins with the largest values or the smallest values? I'm going to want to use the coins with the smallest values, right? Because then I'm going to need more of them to get 37 cents. So let's just start off by trying to use as many of these smallest value coins as possible. So how much do I have in terms of 1 cent coins? I have 6 of those, so I have 6 cents. And what about 2 cent coins? I have 3 2-cent coins, so 3 times 2 gives me 6 cents as well. So in terms of my lowest value coins, in terms of 1 cent and 2 cent coins, I have 12 cents in total. Okay, so I've used all my 1 cent and 2 cent coins. What about 5 cent coins? So if I have 2 of those, how much is that? 2 times 5 is 10, so that's 10 cents. And if I add that on to all of my 1 cent and 2 cent coins, that's 10 plus 12 gives me 22 cents. But now I have a problem, because if I use one 10-cent coin, then I will get 32 cents in total, which isn't enough because I want 37 cents. But if I use 2, then I'm going to get 42 cents, which is too much. So we can't have used all of these smallest value coins. So maybe instead of using both of my 5-cent coins, I'll just use one of them and add that on to my 1 cent and 2 cent coins. That leaves me with 17 cents. And now how many 10-cent coins am I going to need to make it up to 37 cents? I'm going to need 2 of those, which will give me 20 cents, and add that onto my 17 will leave me with 37 in total. So that's how I can make up 37 cents exactly, using as many small value coins as possible. And we know that by using small value coins, that increases the number of coins that we use in total. So how many coins did we use? I used 6 1-cent coins plus 3 2-cent coins, 1 5-cent coin plus 2 10-cent coins. So the total number of coins is 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 12. And we can see that's answer D.